George, I'm a carpenter. I just want to do a quick video on multi-tools. If you're having trouble with your blade coming loose, or you try and do the quick release up and the blade just isn't biting and it's loose like this, and when you turn it on, and even if it is gripped in, you turn it on, you start using it and then it starts making that sort of noise. There can be a few different things it could be. First off is, if you undo it, you check the pin which holds the blade in. What you can sometimes find is, which you can see on this, if you can see close enough, that there's like a build up of dust and dirt on it. So best thing to do is either use a Stanley blade or even the blade that you take out of it, and just anything that's hard on there, just work it off, get yourself a cloth and clean it off, and then try it again. If it works, then brilliant. If not, the other thing it could be is inside the pinhole, is get yourself either a bradawl or a long nail, put it inside, wiggle it around, scratch it off, and hopefully you should be able to feel that it might start freeing up in there. Give it a little blowout and you should see like dust and dirt fall out of it. That's another good one, because if there's a build up of dust and dirt in there and you put the pin in, it just stops it from compressing all the way in. Also, once you've done that and it is working again, or even if it isn't, try a bit of something like WD-40 or something with like PTFE in it, because that can prevent rust from building up inside it. So if you squirt it inside it, because sometimes you can find that these pins can rust if you've used it in the wet, or for some reason it's started to go rusty. You may have to replace the pin if that is the case, if these grooves are worn down too much. So what I normally do is spray a bit of WD in it to displace any water, and then prevent the rust also. So if that should hopefully resolve your problem. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video will be of use to someone, be able to fix any of their multi-tools, whether it's Makita, Fein, Bosch. It all works on the same sort of system with this quick release system. So yeah.